If the troubleshoot mode is not working on Firestick, then you are in the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the bottom functionality. If your Firestick's troubleshoot mode isn't working, it likely means the feature itself isn't activated, or there might be a problem with your remote or the Firestick itself. Double check that you are pressing the correct buttons to activate the troubleshoot mode, usually a combination of buttons like play or pause and up. Method 2. Restart the Firestick. When troubleshooting mode is not working on Firestick, restart the device. Turn the device off and unplug it from the power source. Leave it for a few hours and let it cool before plugging it back in. Method 3. Check the HDMI connection. Make sure your HDMI cable is properly plugged into both the Firestick and your TV and there is no loose connection. If your TV has multiple HDMI ports, try moving the Firestick to a different one to improve ventilation. Try a new port and check if this helps. Method 4. Use an HDMI extender. Using the HDMI extender that comes with your Firestick can significantly enhance its performance by improving ventilation and preventing overheating. The extender allows you to position the Firestick away from the back of the TV, where airflow may be restricted. By creating space between the Firestick and the TV, the HDMI extender helps ensure that heat generated by both devices can dissipate more effectively. This setup reduces the risk of heat accumulation, which can cause the Firestick to overheat and potentially malfunction. Additionally, the extender provides flexibility in placing the Firestick in a well-ventilated area away from other electronics that may generate heat. This not only helps maintain the device's optimal operating temperature but also prolongs its lifespan and ensures smooth performance. So, whenever you are setting up your Firestick, remember to use the HDMI extender for better ventilation and to keep your streaming experience uninterrupted. Method 5. Check the battery level. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries. The Firestick remote uses Bluetooth, draining batteries faster than standard remotes. Replace the batteries if they are old or depleted. Once you have replaced the batteries, check if this works. Method 6. Repair the remote. The next thing you can do is pair the remote again. Restart your Fire TV device and wait for the cannot detect your remote message to appear on the screen. Once you see the message, press and hold the home button on the remote for 10 seconds to pair it again. Method 7. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of the Firestick. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Note that this will erase all data on the device, so make sure to back up any important data beforehand. And there you have it, the ways to fix the issue when the troubleshoot mode is not working on Firestick. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.